Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to help you recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have TikTok open, and say I'm trying to log in and it's just not working. I have tried to reset my email, reset my phone number, and it's just not going through. You're going to need to contact TikTok directly to get your account recovered. And to do that, you're going to follow these steps. First, you're going to go to the question mark at the top right. And then you're going to click on the little notepad with a writing at the top right again. And here opens up your supports tickets. It's where you're going to contact TikTok directly and state your case. You can write anything. I gave this a little go. It's just a small little, hey, I tried to sign in my account. I need help recovering it. I don't have access to my phone number anymore. This is my username. Please help. If you should write as much information as you have to verify who you are, because they're going to need all that they can to go ahead and help you recover this account. But once you put all that information in, even maybe an Instagram account that you have a link to it or whatever, you can put all that information in and then report the problem, and then that will get you in contact with TikTok, and then you can start that process of recovering your account. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.